Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing, over here at a roof in Sanford. Customer had some hail. We're in the middle of doing the tear off right now and getting ready to do the installation of the new roof. Getting everything prepped for our dry-in inspection. Guys should be here probably later on this afternoon. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you a little bit about what we're doing. As you can see, we're already starting to take off all the old shingles, exposing our pipe vents. One thing that you always want to do when you're doing a new roof here is just to make sure that there's no rot around the penetration. Looks like the wood is in pretty good shape right here. As you can see, we're kind of just in the beginning stages here. We've already got our shingles delivered, so we're ready to rock and roll as soon as we get our drying inspection. The crew's taking a little bit of a break right now. It's pretty hot. We're almost at 100 degrees already today. You can see the gutter hangers here. What we'll do is we'll detach those so we can take the old drip edge off. We'll install the new drip edge and get everything dried in, and then we'll install the new hangers back on. So I'll give you an update later on when we get all this all stripped up, but this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing, and this is one of our projects.